Hi, to enable and disable content restriction on iPhone 16e. Firstly, of course, open Settings on the phone. And right now we need to scroll to see section Screen Time. After that, if you go a bit down, you should see Content and Privacy Restrictions. So here, if you wanna disable it, you would need to toggle off the switch like that. And if you have screen time passcode, then enter it like this. And now you turned off any restrictions. To enable, click here again so the switcher will be green. And then you can go in installing apps and select don't allow and basically customize this setting as you want to. So find allow changes to privacy and so on. You can also go back and change screen time passcode or turn it off by tapping any option. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.